Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. It's nearly Christmas, and that means online scams are on the rise. If your people are using their work devices for some last-minute shopping, they could be putting your business at risk of a cyber attack. That's because nearly half of people have admitted to falling for some kind of online scam. It's easily done. Maybe they clicked on a link in a phishing email. That's an email that looks like it's from a person or brand you trust, but actually, it's from criminals. Or they clicked on a social media offer that was too good to be true. To keep the festive fraudsters out of your business, make sure your people know what to look out for. And if there's any doubt, don't click that link and never download that file. We're here to help with any training you need about cyber scams, online security, and more. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.